Hey everyone, so I finished cooking the rice pudding and now I'm just going to add in the rest of the ingredients. So you have to put in half a teaspoon of the cinnamon. See if I can get this focusing on the you have to take it off the stove. Take the thing off the stove. And I'm going to add in this. I think that's half a teaspoon. And you have to mix it in. And I don't have nutmeg, so I'm using this allspice, which is practically the same thing. And then there's just 1/8 of a teaspoon of this. Sprinkle that on top. And then my vanilla. This is my vanilla. Just adding it in here. And the butter. And this will give me a good amount, more than I would have gotten at the store. So this away. I'll have to add in this butter. So a tablespoon of butter, just like that. And this is my spoon, and I'm just mixing it all up. And then when you have your little bowl, you just garnish it with a little bit of cinnamon or whatever you want on the top. So that's what I do. I see how busy I keep myself. That's why my mental health is good. If I didn't keep myself busy, I would go right down. But when you keep yourself busy, then, and I'll let it cool, and then you have it warm, so turns out nice. See, that's it. The last part you take it off the stove to do, so this is it. I like to be creative, use my creative skills, and that's what I do. Just need the lid for that. I think this is the lid. Yep. So there we go. You have to use white rice for that. So I do have brown rice as well, but I use the white rice for that.